In this video, we'll explore the MAX485 RS-485 Transceiver IC, what it is, how it works, its pinout, key features, applications, and finally its advantages and limitations. Welcome to Polonium Technologies. What is the MAX485? The MAX485 is a low-power, half-duplex transceiver IC designed for RS-485 communication. It allows microcontrollers like Arduino, ESP32, or STM32 to communicate over long distances using differential signaling. This IC is widely used in industrial systems because it ensures stable and noise-resistant data transmission even in harsh environments. What is RS-485? RS-485, or EIA-485, is a standard for long-distance serial communication in noisy environments. It uses differential signaling through two lines, A and B, to reduce interference and ensure stable data transfer. Unlike UART, TX, and RX, RS-485 supports multi-device networks, allowing several controllers to share the same bus. It's widely used in industrial automation, building control, and sensor systems because it can transmit data up to 1,200 meters at high speed. In short, RS-485 is the backbone of reliable long-distance communication, and the MAX485 IC makes it simple to implement. Here are the main features of the MAX485. It operates on a single 5-volt power supply, low power consumption, around 120 microamps, high data rate up to 2.5 megabits per second, supports communication up to 1,200 meters, can connect up to 32 devices on the same bus, compact, reliable, and cost-effective. Now let's look at the pinout of the MAX485 IC. It has 8 pins in total. RO, receiver output, outputs the received data. RE, receiver enable, active low, enables or disables the receiver. DE, driver enable, active high, enables or disables the driver. DI, driver input, takes data from the microcontroller. G&D, ground connection. A, non-inverting receiver input or driver output. B, inverting receiver input or driver output. VCC, plus 5-volt power supply. This simple configuration makes it easy to interface MAX485 with any UART-based microcontroller for RS-485 communication. Applications. The MAX485 is used in many communication-based systems, including industrial automation and process control, building automation like HVAC and lighting, security systems such as CCTV and access control, long-distance sensor networks, and microcontroller-to-microcontroller communication. It's one of the most popular ICs when you need reliable data transfer over long distances. Here are the main advantages of using the MAX485. It supports communication up to 1,200 meters, consumes very little power, simple UART interface with most microcontrollers, allows multiple nodes on one RS-485 network, is inexpensive and easy to use. However, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. It operates only at 5 volts, so 3.3-volt controllers need level shifting. Works in half-duplex mode, meaning it can transmit or receive, but not both at once. Requires termination resistors for stable performance, and proper wiring and grounding are essential for reliable communication. So that's the MAX485 RS-485 Transceiver IC, a compact, efficient, and dependable solution for long-distance serial communication. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Polonium Technologies for more practical electronics tutorials and circuit explanations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.